Hi, welcome to No Grandma Glamma. How you guys doing? So today, I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial on this archery brow, and this is by Soap and Glory. This is in dark brown. I have already put gel on my eyebrows, which was Precision Formula. DJ, we gotta put that in the video. DJ, let's do our dance. Wanna do a dance? You ready? Go. DJ. Yeah, come on this way, Elijah. Look. Say DJ. It's my grandbaby.
It's my turn.
My glam baby.
It's my turn.
It's your turn to do what?
It's my turn.
Elijah. I can't see you. Come this way. Okay, now do it. Elijah. Give grandma a kiss on her face. Give grandma so you can see you kiss. I'm gonna go in with my Precision Formula again, brow gel. Because my eyebrows hair tend to curl up. I'm going with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in medium beige for my bottom. I'm gonna take Warm Honey for the top. Take this brush by BH 122 brush. That's the stuff of the product inside my skin. The Soap and Glory Archery, it says brow defining crayon and setting gel. So this part right here is the gel, and I really just figured that out right now on camera. That's all I got to say. I just figured it out. So like I said, that's the crayon part. This is the gel part. In dark brown. So I like it. It's a brow pencil. So this is the finished look using Soap and Glory eyebrow pencil. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and like this look. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell for future tutorials. And don't forget, No Grandma Glamma.